Hey guys, this is Mitch McCaleb here at Fillmore Buick GMC in Jackson, Mississippi. I'd like to show you our 2017 GMC Sierra Denali. This vehicle comes equipped with the blacked out GMC emblem, blacked out bumpers, chrome grille, 22-inch blacked out Sierra wheels, and if you open the door here, you see it also has power running boards, which are a really neat option when you open the door. They come out, and as you see, they come back to here. But if you were to get into the tailgate in the bed, you've got easy access to climb in and get to your toolbox. This vehicle also has Bose sound system, black interior, heated and cooled front seats, lane assist, sunroof. This vehicle has basically every option that you can ask for. 6.2 liter motor, 420 horsepower. If you're looking for power, a nice vehicle, a nice truck, four-wheel drive, this is the one for you. Come in today. This is our 2017 GMC Sierra Denali, only 78,800 miles. Ask for Mitch.